College of Community and Applied Sciences Udaipur, formerly known as College of Home Science, was established in the year 1966 with graduation degree as a part of Rajasthan College of Agriculture and attained the status of an independent college in 1967. It is one of the pioneer colleges of the country which has gained its reputed aura in more than 5 decades of its existence in Rajasthan state. Since its inception, the college has grown rapidly in all its three functions, that is teaching, research and extension. In 1977, the college shifted to its present building spread over an area of 10 hectares with an academic campus of 2.95 hectares. Community science is an interdisciplinary field of knowledge which focuses on strengthening family and community life. It aims at development of competence among students for effective role performance to meet the emerging challenges for better living, prepare them as professionals and entrepreneurs. Presently, the college is offering two UG programs, BSc Honours Community Science and BSc Honours Food Nutrition and Dietetics. It offers MSc and PhD programs in all the 5 subjects. The college has state-of-art infrastructure facilities to provide quality education to the students. The Dean Secretariat is having well-equipped conference hall, student section, establishment section, account section and photocopy room with experienced employees. The college has a rich library spread over an area of 4,000 square feet to accommodate 100 readers. It is well equipped and operations are automated using Koha software. The library has robust collection of 27,000 books, e-books and good collection of national and international journals. The library is linked with consortium for online journals. CCTV system is being used in various sections of the library for electronic surveillance. There is a facility of reprography and book bank with collection of latest books. One of the important departments of the college is Department of Human Development and Family Studies. An important feature of the department is Early Childhood Care and Development Laboratory, commonly known as Nursery School, which has pre-nursery and nursery sections. The lab is used to provide hands-on experience to the students learning child behavior. It is well equipped with learning material, kids library and kids gym for overall development of the children. The department has well-resourced laboratories to provide hands-on experience to the students in psychosocial assessment and family guidance and counseling for optimum development, overall well-being and effective parenting. There is a smart classroom and well-equipped seminar hall to provide interactive teaching learning environment to the students. The Department of Food Science and Nutrition offers variety of courses in the field of food nutrition and dietetics at UG level and foods and nutrition at UG and PG level. The department has well-equipped nutrition lab to provide practical experience about the scientific principles of foods and nutrition. There is a foods lab having adequate facility to conduct practicals for a number of courses. The department also has Agrip lab with state-of-art equipment to conduct research experiments under the project as well as for PG research. The department has a well-developed infrastructure including smart classroom, lecture and seminar halls. The Department of Textiles and Apparel Designing aims to develop competence in selecting, developing and evaluating textile products. The department is enriched with 10 laboratories for providing practical exposure to the students in assessment of apparel and textile products, weaving and knitting, textile designing, draping, garment construction, etc. The department has well-equipped smart classroom. The Department of Resource Management and Consumer Science has well-equipped laboratories, namely Consumer Education Lab to sensitize the students about consumer rights, Interior Decoration Lab to develop understanding about intricacies of interior designing, Event Management Lab, Ergonomics Lab depicting women-friendly drudgery-reducing tools and equipment useful in agriculture, Appropriate Technology Lab having display of various useful home-stay labor-saving devices. Well-developed physical facilities in the department contributes to effective teaching learning process. The Department of Extension Education and Communication Management has a well-equipped multimedia production lab where the students are trained in preparation of information and communication material using designing and editing softwares. Other facilities in the department include Audiovisual Lab where The students prepare audiovisual material, demonstration lab to develop skills in conducting an effective demonstration, audio lab to learn recording and editing, smart classroom, seminar hall, and Acrylic lab. The college is implementing student-ready program as per the recommendations of 5th Greens Committee. Under this, 2 experiential learning units are functional. The Apparel Production Management Unit is one of the founder centers of experiential learning to provide learning experience in apparel production. The students acquire skill to handle and work on number of technologically advanced industrial machines for different tasks. The experiential learning makes students more confident to take the challenging jobs and handle the apparel production unit independently. Another experiential learning unit on development of designer health foods and bakery products was established to provide hands-on training in developing nutritious bakery food products, skills in managing a production center, liaising with stakeholders, and developing market. Students learn the technical know-how of preparing different nutritious bakery products. The center develops capacity among students in food processing, branding, e-marketing, and certification to take it up as an entrepreneurial activity. Under in-plant training, the final year students are placed at various reputed organizations for hands-on training in the respective specialized areas such as hotels, media organizations, TV studios, hospitals, food industries, boutiques, etc. Under RAWE, that is Rural Awareness Work Experience, the students are provided intensive experience of working with rural families. The students undertake various need-based projects on women empowerment, entrepreneurship development, health and nutrition, etc. The college has an information and placement bureau which invite companies and arranges on-campus interviews. This cell organizes personality development programs, employability trainings, stakeholders meet, etc. As a result of concerted efforts made, many of the graduates have initiated their startups and turned into successful entrepreneurs. These startups are mainly on fitness and yoga, event management, boutique, play school, child care, mental health, diet counseling, bakery and confectionery. For overall personality development of the students, the college organizes number of extracurricular activities under the aegis of NSS, NCC, Rangers Unit, NSO, and Community Science Student Association. The college has conducted number of capacity building programs sponsored by IDP. The trainings were conducted on landscaping for green environment, gender sensitization, entrepreneurship development, mental health, gold and silver printing, and many more. There are other facilities such as common smart classroom, elegantly paneled auditorium to accommodate 200 persons, well-furnished hostels having 44 single-seated rooms and 28 double-seated rooms. The hostel has visitors room, a spacious dining hall, computer room with Wi-Fi connectivity, fire extinguishers, DJ set, etc. 3 counseling centers in the college are functional, namely Diet Counseling Center run by Department of FSN, Consumer Guidance and Counseling Cell run by Department of RMCS, and Family Counseling Center run by Department of HDFS. The Technology Resource Center exhibits proven homestay and agriculture technologies. The products prepared by students are sold through a retail outlet located in the college campus. Other facilities include sanitary vending machines, incinerators, sanitizer dispensers, fire extinguishers, canteen, parking, water harvesting units, and proper disposal of garbage.